Today we are going to see about the standard fifth, the fractions, unit 6. So in this fraction, we are going to see the compare the fractions, numerator and denominator, like fractions, unlike fractions, like this. So you know what do you mean by the fractions? Fraction means padiya divide pandrathu, that is the fraction. Equal parts are half part, 3 by 4, 1 by total parts will be this divided. So finds Radhika bought a chocolate bar which is divided into 8 pieces and she wants to share it with his brother Tarun. So 8 pieces of chocolate bars are there. Okay, so in that she want to give 2 parts out of the 8. So on the 8 parts, 2 parts you can see the Cadbury's chocolate part by part. So 8 pieces is there. So 8 parts is there. So 2 parts is given to his brother. Appa 2 by 8. 8 parts 2 parts she is given to the brother and 3 parts she is given to his sister. So 3 by 8. So in the fraction 2 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8. We have to read the number like this only. Say it again children, 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. So this is called numerator. 2 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. மேலே இருக்கிறது numerator, கீழே இருக்கிறது denominator. Okay, so here they are given some stars they are given. So 7 stars are there. Okay, so 7 stars. 7 stars are given. Okay, in these 7 stars, 2 stars are not shaded and idu mattum shade pannirukanga vechukonga. So this only is shaded. So in these stars, so how many stars are shaded? You have to see. For that, we have to first write out the total parts of the star. முதல்ல வந்து எத்தனை பார்ட்ஸ் ஷேட் பண்ணிருக்கு பாருங்க. அது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி how many parts of the stars are there? So these are the stars. Okay, so in the stars first how many parts இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars are there. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is shaded. So 5 by 7 shaded. Not shaded portion எவ்வளோ? 2 by 7. ரெண்டு வந்து ஷேட் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கு இல்லையா? This is not shaded. Okay, so 5 by 7. 7 5 ஷேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. 2 by 7 is not shaded. This is known as the fraction. Okay. So like this only we are going to say these exercises one by one. Here, so you know first one is the numerator and second one is the denominator. Like that, which is the greater fraction? Which is greater? Which is greater? So in this greater fraction, let me compare panninga 2 by 8, 6 by 8. So 2 by 8 persa, 6 by 8 persa. Which is the smaller na? 2 by 8 is smaller than the 6 by 8. Again 2 by 8 and 6 by 8. Sorry. So 2 by 8 is smaller than the 6 by 8. So இப்படி போடுங்க. And 6 by 8 is greater than the 2 by 8. So this is known as the greater and the smaller fraction. So here only in this exercises, greater fraction and the smaller fraction we are going to see now. So here what they are given, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1 in this, write the fraction for the shaded part. Write the fraction. Write the fraction for the shaded part. So what are the fractions they are to draw? So 12 parts they are given. Okay. in this, 4 parts are there. Here they are going to shade this. So here we are given the portions like this. So how many portions are there? First you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total part is 12. That should be come down and this is known as the denominator. Here they ask the question, write the fraction for the shaded parts. So shade panna part எத்தனை இருக்கு 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put 5 at the top. The answer is 5 by 12. This is the shaded part. Okay. Then we are given the hexagon like this. So in this, so how many parts are there you say totally? So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts that should become in the denominator and 2 parts are shaded. Like that, yeah, one more sum they are given. Will you do it by yourself, children? So 3 parts. So in this, how many shaded? 3 parts are shaded. எங்க வேணா எப்படி வேணா ஷேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. So you just say which part is shaded. So first you count the total number of parts and write the denominator first. Okay, yeah. So the parts எத்தனை இருக்குதுன்னு first total number of parts. Total number of parts is in this is 9 and how many shaded 1, 2 and 3. 3 by 9. Like this you have to write. And then write the fractions for the following and find the numerator and denominator. Sum number 2, write the fractions. Write the fractions for the following and find the numerator and the denominator. Sheila got, first sum is, they are given the statement like this. Sheila got 12 marks out of 20 marks in science. Out of 20 marks in science. So, this is question mark கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. For this, we have to write the fraction. So, she got 12 out of 20. So, 12 by 20 is the mark. Okay, yeah. And then we have to find the numerator and the denominator. Which is the numerator? 12 is the numerator. This is the numerator. 12 is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay. Like this, you have to write for each and every sum. 6 fruits are rotten out of 6 fruits or rotten. Rotten na அழுகி போறது. Out of 40 fruits. In a basket. So how many fruits? 6 fruits are rotten. How many out of 40? Out of 40 irukilla. So in the 40 the denominator varano. So 6 is the numerator and 40 is the denominator. Okay, yeah. Then third sum. In a colony, of 50 houses, 17 houses are not occupied. So, how many houses are there in a colony? 50 houses. Above 50 is the denominator. And how many houses are not occupied? 17 houses. So, 17 by 50 and 17 is the numerator and 50 is the denominator. Okay? You have to write like this. Then find out which is greater, the following fraction. Find out which is greater. Find out which is greater in the following fraction. Five by 12 and 7 by 12. Now, which is greater? 7 by 12 is greater. Okay. And second sum, 22 by 48 and so 22 by 48 is the answer. And the third sum, 11 by 56 and 27 by 56. Answer is 27 by 56. So this is the answer. And now, so that's all in this sum. And now we'll move on to the next one. So now we know which is the greater na edu periya number. 5 by 12 or 7 by 12 or 7 by 12. They are 22 by 48 or 17 by 48. 22 by 48. Now we'll move on to the fourth sum, which is smaller. Which is smaller in the following fraction. This is also the same thing. The first sum is 10 by 42 and 21 by 42. So which is smaller? Answer is 10 by 42. Okay. Then second sum, 31 by 37 and 15 by 37. So answer is, which is the smaller chinna number na? 15 by 37. Okay. So that's all in this. The next one is types of fraction. What are the types of fraction? Types of fraction is proper fraction, improper fraction. So proper fraction na enna na? Numerator is, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, numerator is smaller than the denominator. it is called the proper fraction. That is, example is 4 by 10. பாருங்க, numerator 4, denominator 10. So இது big, இது small. So this is called the proper fraction. 15 by 20. So numerator விட denominator விட numerator சின்னதாக இருந்தால் அது proper fraction. Improper fraction. Next type வந்து improper fraction. In this improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than, பெருசாக இருக்கும், டினாமினேட்டரை விட பெருசாக இருக்கிறது தான் இம்ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். இப்போ நீங்கள் எக்ஸாம்லலாம் மார்க் வாங்கினீங்கன்னா 100 அவுட் ஆஃப் எவ்வளோன்னு போடுறாங்க. அப்போ 100 கீழே போட்டு அது ஒரு 95, 90 அவுட் ஆஃப் 100. இதுதான் கரெக்டாக நம்மளுக்கு ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். இம்ப்ராப்பர் தான் பெரிய நம்பர் மேலே போகும், சின்ன நம்பர் கீழே இருக்கும். இப்போ 4 by 10 இருக்கு இல்லையா, அப்போ 10 by 4 இதுதான் இம்ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். 20 by 15, 100 by 90. அதே நம்பர் இதே இருக்குன்னா உங்களுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியறதுக்கு தான். ஸோ 4 by 10, நியூமரேட்டர் வந்து 10, டினாமினேட்டர் இஸ் 4. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் டினாமினேட்டர், நியூமரேட்டர் இஸ் கிரேட்டர் தென் த டினாமினேட்டர். டினாமினேட்டரை விட கீழே இருக்க நம்பரை விட மேலே இருக்க நம்பர் வந்து அதிகமாக இருந்தால் தட் இஸ் இம்ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த மிக்சட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். So next one is the mixed fraction. So in this mixed fraction, it will be as a whole part and the fraction part. So if you are having the dosai, in the dosai வந்து ஒரு தோசையா இருக்குது, ஓகேயா? So this is the whole part. அதை 4 cut பண்ணாக்கா that is the fraction part. அப்போ 4 partsல 1 part is the dosai. So in this mixed fraction, a fraction which contains the whole number as a and a proper fraction. A fraction which is a which contains, which has whole number na 1 2 3 4 5 6 அப்படியே எழுதுறது. And a proper fraction na numerator கம்மியாக இருக்கணும், டினாமினேட்டர் அதிகமாக இருக்கணும். இட்ஸ் கால்ட் மிக்சட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன். ஓகேயா? ஸோ இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து இப்போ ஹோல் பார்ட், இப்போ 4 இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. திஸ் இஸ் த ஹோல் பார்ட் அண்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் பார்ட் இஸ் 2 by 5. Okay, this is the whole part and this is the fraction part. படிக்கும்போது mixed number 4, 2 by 5. Like that only you have to write. Next one is equivalent fraction. What do you mean by the equivalent fraction? In this equivalent fraction, so the chapati is given. If one chapati is divided equally between the 2 people and each one will get a 1 portion of. So ஒரு சப்பாத்தியை வந்து இப்போ 1 by 2 half பிச்சு கொடுக்குறதா, that is the equal part. So இந்த 1 by 2 that is equal to 2 by 4. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the same number is known as the equivalent fraction. Can you understand? Suppose 3 by 5. இப்போ 3 by 5 2ல பண்ணுங்களேன். அப்போ டினாமினேட்டர் ரெண்டையுமே சேம். 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So this should be numerator and denominator should be multiplied by the same number. That gives you the equivalent fractions. Okay. So these are the fractions we are going to see now. Okay, this is the fact. Now we are going to see proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and the equivalent fractions. This only we are going to see in this exercises one by one. So take a notebook and note down this, children. So here for example, find a fraction. Find a fraction with the denominator 20. with denominator 20, which is equivalent to 2 by 5. இப்படி இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். ஸோ எப்படி கொடுக்குறாங்க, 2 by 5 that is equal to box by 20. ஸோ இப்படி கொடுத்துட்டாக்கா இப்போ இந்த நியூமரேட்டரை நம்ம we have to find out. Here 5, 2 by 5 and here is 20. So இங்கே denominator is 5 and here it is 20. So 5 tablesல how many times 20? 5 4s are 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Like that 2 4s are 8. So answer is 8. Can you understand? So 8 by this is known as the equivalent fraction. Suppose find the equivalent fraction. Another sum, find equivalent fraction. They will give the question like this also. Equivalent fraction to 8 by 20 with denominator 5. With the denominator 5. So, you can 8 by 20 is equal to box by 5. So, if you 20 here, 5 here. If 5 4s are 20, you multiply this big smallest number is the biggest number. So, multiply pannodhu, you can easily find out. Here they are given the biggest number and this is the smallest number. So, you can 20 divided by 5. Now, how many times around that gives 20 divided by 4. Okay, yeah. So, 20 5 divided by 4 that is equal to inge enna vandhathu 5 adhe mari 8 divided by 4 that is equal to 4 2s are 8 appo 2 varum smallest number kodutha multiply pannunga biggest number kodutaka 20 divided by 4 times that gives you the 5 4s are 20 appo 4 ala divide pannina mele irukka numerator you have to divide by 4. Okay. Now we'll move on to the exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Okay. So 6.2 என்ன இருக்குன்னா, write the suitable number in the box. Write the suitable number. Page number 53. So here also they are given the sum of the sums. See, first sum 1 by 2 is equal to box by 8. அப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன எழுதுங்க, 1 by 2 is equal to இங்கே 8 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, இங்கே சின்ன நம்பர் சொன்னால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. 2 4s are 8 1 4s are 8 1 4s are 4 that is equal to இங்கே 4 is the answer. சரி, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். இங்கே ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்து பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்தா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்து ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்தா டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே. And second sum 1 by 3 is equal to 7 by box. இப்போ 1 by 3 is equal to கொஞ்சம் லைன்ஸ் பெருசாக போட்டுக்கோங்க, பாக்ஸ் இங்கே வந்து 7. ஸோ இங்கே எப்படின்னாக்கா this is the smallest number. ஸோ 1 into 7 1 7s are 7. அப்போ கீழேயும் 7ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். 3 7s are 21. So answer is 21. Can you understand? Now the third sum 9 by 11 is equal to 18 by box. இப்போ 9 by 11 is equal to 18 by dash கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இப்போ 9 2s are தான் 18. அப்போ அதே மாதிரி 11 2s are 22. Here you have to write 22. Both the sum 5 by 15 is equal to box by 3. So 5 by பெரிய லைனாக போட்டுக்கோங்க 15 is equal to இங்கே 3 இருக்குது. அப்போ இங்கே 15 divided by 3. அப்போ 3 டேபிள்ஸில் எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் 15? 15 divided by 5. 3 5s are 15. அப்போ அதே 5ஆல் பண்ணிங்கன்னா மேலேயும் 5ல் டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. 5 1s are 5. So answer is 1. புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. 15 is here, 3 is here. அப்போ 3 5s are 15 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். பட் இங்கே 3 வந்து 5 times 15ன்றதால 15 5ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் we will get the 3. So like that 5 5ல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் we will get the 1. So the answer is 1 by 3. Then fifth sum, 14 by 26 is equal to box by 13. Here also the same thing. 14 by 26 is equal to 13. So 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. அப்போ 2 tables divide பண்ணுங்க. 26 divided by 2, that gives you 3. 2 13s are 26. அதே 2 14 divide பண்ணா 2 7s are 14. Okay, then sixth sum, box by 4 is equal to 8 by 16. So 4 இங்கே போடுங்க is equal to 16. அங்கே 8 இங்கே வந்து டேஷ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 4 4s are 16 இல்லையா? அப்போது இங்கே என்ன வரும்? 8 வந்து 4ல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் 2 2 into 4. ஓகே, 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2, and 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4. அப்போ 4ல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. 4 4s are 16 வரும். அப்போ 8 இங்கே டினாமினேட்டர் 8 இருக்கு இல்லையா? இப்போ 8 2s are பண்ணக்கூடாது. 8 4ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ண will get answer is 2. Next, seventh sum, 1 by box is equal to 7 by 28. Here also the same thing. 1 7s are 7. 1 into 7, 11. 1 7s are 7. அப்போ இங்கே 28 biggest number இருக்கு இல்லையா? So 28 divided by 7. That is 4 7s are 28. 1 7s are 7. Now 4 7s are 28. You can see, learn the tables, children. And 8th sum, box by 25. Say box by 5 is equal to 15 by 25. So 5 5s are 25. Yeah. So இங்கே 25 வந்துடும். அதே மாதிரி இங்கே 15 இருக்கிறதால 3 5s are 15. So answer is 3. Okay, children. Now same page. Find the equivalent fraction. Find the equivalent fraction with denominator 18. With denominator 18. For each of the following. So கீழே denominatorல ஒவ்வொரு சமுக்கும் 18 வரணும். So 1 by 2 கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா? ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், that is equal to 1 by 2 9s are 18. அப்போது 9 by 18. Can you understand? Next, 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 6 are 18, 2 6 are 12, 12 by 18. Then 4 by 6, that is equal to 4 by 6. 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12, 12 by 18. 2 by 9, that is equal to 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Then 7 by 9, that is equal to 7 by 9 2s are 7 2s are 14 by 18. Then the last one 5 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3 na 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so like this you have to, this is the sum they are given. Following fractions. Okay. Then the next one is find an equivalent fraction. Find an equivalent fraction. With the denominator of 5. For each of the following. For each of the following fraction. It is first sum is அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்கிறது 6 by 15, 10 by 25, 12 by 30, 6 by 10 and 21 by 35. So denominator number 5 ku kondu vandu. Find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 5. The first one 6 by 15. 6 by 15 naka 3 tables la rendume pogum. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. So 2 by 5. 3 tables la cancel pannirka. Okay ya. Next 10 by 25, that is equal to kira 5 varano illaya, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. This is from the 5 tables. And then 12 by 30, 12 by 30 na 6 tables, rendume 6 tables la, 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. Then 6 by 10, 2 tables. So now side la potrukadhu 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Then 21 by 35, 5 tables, 7 tables. 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so denominator 5 varnona andanda idula endanda number correct ah pogudhu, kira 5 vara mari 5 tables or 7 tables like that. Okay children, so we will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.